Hello everyone, it's LasithKArt here in my next painting video, and today I'll be painting this lovely country scene near Europe using acrylics and oils on top of it, and I'll put the equipment down in the description below. Now let's get straight into it. Okay, so first of all I begin adding primary blue to the corners of the sky, working my way down with bits of acrylic white, and then I add the clouds using a mixture of grey and white for the edges of the clouds as highlights. And then I begin adding the distant fields using a light green and darker green for the trees. And then working my way forward, I add a lighter green into the foreground. And then using a mixture of dark brown, I add the mud and the dirt tracks in the field. Using lighter greens and yellows, I add the highlights on the grass in acrylics. And then working my way even more forward, I add a darker green base towards the foreground grass and add lighter yellows and browns on top of this. And then I add a log in the foreground and paint the trees at the side of the painting. And then I begin adding the fence posts and the fence wires using a mixture near black. And finally I add the highlights to the grass using oil paints. Okay, so that brings us to the end of this video, and I hope you all really enjoyed it. Now the name of this painting is Green Winter Fields in the Victorian Country. And as always, don't forget to check out my Instagram and Google Plus at LasithKArt, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And I hope to see some of you guys in my future videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.